Welcome to qnawire.
In this problem, we're given the dimensions of a pool, or rather, we're given specifications for a pool, and we want to figure out what the dimensions are. So let's say that the pool has a width L and a width W and a length L. And we're told that the area of the pool is 54, and we know that this must be equal to W times L. But we're also told that this length must be equal to twice the width plus 3. So we can take this equation for L in terms of W and substitute it into this relationship for the area. That's going to give us that the area is equal to W times 2W plus 3, or 2W squared plus 3W. Now we can rearrange terms since we know that this is equal to 54. And this gives us a quadratic equation, 2W squared plus 3W minus 54 equal to 0. If we solve this equation, then we'll know what the width W is, and then given the width W, we'll be able to say what the length L is. So we can solve it with the quadratic equation. We know that if we say that the coefficients of the equation are A, B, and C, then we know that A equals 2, B equals 3, and C equals minus 54. So we can plug this in and say that the root is equal to negative B plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Plugging this in, this gives us a minus 3 plus or minus the square root of 9. We'll get 4ac is going to give us a plus because of the minus sign in c, and I'll make this 9 a little bit neater. We're going to have a plus there, and then the 4a will be an 8. The c is a 54. But let's pull out, we can write that 8 times 54, let me rewrite that. We can write that 8 times 54 is equal to 8 times 9 times 6. And then we can sort of rearrange terms and write this as 9 times 48. So let's do that. And the reason that we want to do that is because we already have a 9 here, and so if we can get this factor of 9 here, we'll be able to pull it out of the radical. And then 2 times a is 4. So when all is said and done, we can pull this 9 out of the square root. We're going to have a minus 3 plus or minus 3 times the square root of 49 divided by 4, but this is just equal to 7. So this gives us, we need to choose the positive root. So minus 3 minus 7 will be negative, so we take the other one, which will be positive. So that'll be a 3 times 7, which is 21, minus 3, divided by 4, which is 18 over 4, which is 9 over 2. So that's the width of the pool, and this implies that L is equal to 2W plus 3, which in this case is going to be 12. And we can check that L times W does give us 54.